Hi everyone, I am Srinivas, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic Siddipet, and today's our concept is DMA controller 8257. So in this, what is DMA? DMA means direct memory access. So without DMA, I will see how data is transferred from IO device or peripherals to memory. So without DMA, right now we'll see without DMA, if IO device or peripherals want to transfer data to memory, then first IO device must transfer data to the CPU, and CPU then transfer data to memory. So here CPU is a master. Here CPU is the master. Then it will first IO device transfer to data to CPU then in turn transfer data to memory. This is so far we have to perform for IO transfer between, but if any peripheral or IO device want to transfer data to the memory by using DMA control. Here one important point we have to notice, our main aim of our CPU is execution of a programs or process, but here CPU is unnecessarily wasting time by for transferring data and all those operations. So to overcome these nothing but if by this the performance of CPU will come down. So to overcome this we are using DMA controller, so that CPU, without the involvement of CPU, we can transfer data directly from peripherals to memory. So peripherals to memory we can directly transfer. DMA stands for direct to memory access. So direct to memory access is nothing but without the involvement of CPU, we can transfer data from peripherals to memory with high speed. So this is what DMA. So definition is why DMA: it allows device to transfer data directly to and from memory without CPU involvement. So without the CPU involvement, we are transferring data directly to and from memory to IO devices. By using this diagram, we will see how DMA operation is performed. So suppose if any peripheral device want to transfer data to memory, then by using DMA, first peripheral request DRQ, nothing but DMA request to DMA controller. So DMA first peripheral issues a request DRQ called DMA request to, this is the first. So DMA controller need DMA, nothing but peripheral request DRQ is nothing but DMA request to DMA controller. Then DMA controller in turn, after receiving request from peripheral, it will request HRQ to CPU. So DMA in turn send a request. Send a request, HRQ request to the CPU. That HRQ is nothing but hold request signal to the processor. DMA controller will send to the processor or CPU to hold CPU for some time, so that I will perform DMA operation. Nothing but here CPU must hand over system bus to DMA controller. So here system bus is nothing but address bus, data bus and control bus. So these buses are in every time normal time it will be under CPU control. So at the normal time, here CPU will be the master, so all these operations are performed. So when DMA requested for HRQ request to CPU hold request, then CPU, suppose if CPU is performed in normal execution, after completion of that CPU sends an acknowledgement HLDA, HLDA is nothing but hold acknowledgement signal sent by the processor to the DMA controller. It is nothing but it is handovering system bus to the DMA controller. So I will be waiting for some time. Till the time you perform this data transfer operation is nothing but like that. It will then whenever system bus is hand over to DMA controller, automatically DMA controller will become master and CPU will become slave. So DMA controller in turn send acknowledgement called DACK is nothing but DMA acknowledgement. It is called DMA acknowledgement to the so here a small stick. So it will send DMA acknowledgement to the peripheral that right now you can transfer data from peripherals to memory directly. So then a connection will be established between peripheral and memory, and direct communication and data will be transferred to and fro from peripherals to memory. So this is what a basic operation performed by peripheral for transmitting for transferring data between peripherals to memory. So first peripherals request to DRQ request to DMA controller. DMA controller in turn requests HRQ request to CPU hold request. Then CPU after completion it work, it will give HLDA hold acknowledgement to DMA controller. Then DMA controller when hold request is HLDA request is sent to DMA controller, automatically your DMA controller will become master, then CPU becomes slaves. Nothing but here system buses are hand over to DMA controller, so that right now we can transfer data between peripherals and memory. Here system bus is nothing but system bus consists of address bus, data bus and control bus. Okay, so acknowledgement is given to back to peripheral that device is ready, nothing but DMA control where you can transfer data from peripherals to memory. Then connection will be established and data will be transferred between peripheral and memory. To and fro data will be transferred. So DRQ is nothing but DMA request IO device to request from for DMA transfer. So DRK request is nothing but our IO devices or peripherals to request for DMA transfer. Then HRQ, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 operations. So HRQ is nothing but it is a hold request signal sent by 8257 controller or DMA controller to the processor hold pin. So hold request HRQ is nothing but nothing. Next HLDA hold acknowledgement signal, it's the third one. So hold acknowledgement signal to be sent by the processor to inform the acceptance of hold request. So far DMA controller has sent hold request to your processor. So after receiving that, the CPU in turn will give an acknowledgement called HLDA hold acknowledgement. Nothing but it inform the acceptance of hold request and handovering the system bus to the DMA controller. Nothing but here DMA controller will become master and data transfer will take place. And then here next fourth D acknowledgement is nothing but DMA acknowledgement. Here the DMA controller will nothing but here IO device inform the acceptance of DMA request. So DMA controller in turn give nothing but it will acknowledgement for DRQ request. DRQ request has given no, then after last DMA acknowledgement will be given back to peripherals that so that device is ready for data transmission, like that. Okay, this is the basic operation of DMA controller.